starting with some Worcestershire sauce and some 80/20 ground beef. It's Uncle Steve's cow shake. Don't want to forget that. That's some good stuff too, y'all. You ought to try it if you get a chance. And put in some cumin, some chili powder, and give it a good mix. Now I've got a mixture of chopped jalapenos and onion I'm going to mix in there. Going to mix that up real good. Now I've got a mixture of mozzarella and Mexican cheese I'm going to put in there. And I'm going to give that a good mix as well. I'm going to take these things and roll them into little balls. Alright, so that takes care of the meat part of it. And now, set that aside and get my Steve's Gator Shake. Yes, sir, that stuff's good on everything. And I'm going to put it on my veggies. I've got some poblano peppers, some zucchini, and some spring onions here. Alright, so we're out here at the Blackstone Griddle, and things went along fairly well. This is when it started kind of getting screwed up. I put my veggies on there, and they're sizzling real good and everything. And, they're cooking, and they're starting to smell real good. Now, here's the beginning of the fail. Alright, I get my meat on there, and I put my corn taco on there. And, you know, I think it's going okay. But it's not hot enough on that side. Right there, folks. See, my hamburger's not done. And my tacos are falling apart. Hey, it turned out pretty good after all, even though it was a fail on the Blackstone. It ended up making a pretty plate, and it was delicious too. Hey, I want to thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you. Until next time, this is Dave from DaBomb Smokes. Y'all take care.